21 workers at chain restaurants reveal the items people should never, ever order. There's nothing more relaxing and enjoyable than going out to eat with your family and friends. Whether it's visiting a new restaurant or returning to an old favorite, nothing beats dining out. Unfortunately, according to the employees at some of your favorite restaurants, these places might not be as safe as they appear to be. Certain chain restaurants have all sorts of different tricks to help them save a buck, but they could be costing you big time. Find out from the people who work there every day which dishes you should absolutely avoid when you go out to eat. These employees put it all on the line for your health. Did you know that animals do some crazy things sometimes? If you subscribe to our other channel, you would. Seafood specials or buck-a-shuck oysters. It means my seafood delivery is tomorrow and I'm trying to get rid of my old stock. Even if you're a passionate lover of seafood, this has to be enough of a scoop to keep you away from the stuff. Check out the menu carefully. If there's an item used only in one dish, like the only thing with cherries is the Cherries Jubilee, then the chances are that it's not fresh as the rest of the menu and you'll want to do your best to stay away. That makes sense. If the item's in short supply, the restaurant is likely just trying to get rid of its leftovers. If you order something that's not popular, grilled chicken sandwich or salad, etc., it's going to be old as shit. I've seen grilled chicken sit in a warming pan for 8 hours plus before being handed out. Salads are usually pre-made once a week, and all we did was add some chicken strips on top before serving. Oof, this is gross. Think twice before you ask for extra ice in your drink, or just ice in general. If this employee is to be believed, ice almost everywhere, unless you've seen people take apart the ice machine and scrub out the whole thing, there's definitely mold in it. Order what a place is known for. I used to work at an Italian beef place, and the beef sandwiches we served contained Italian beef cooked at another location and dropped off daily. Giardiniera and peppers we prepped and cooked ourselves. Bread delivered daily, quality food, fresh. Then we had a barbecue rib sandwich. A box of them came frozen, we warmed them up and sent them out. Same thing with a fried steak sandwich we had. It was a beef place, just order the beef. Hey, you can't argue with that. As a prep and grill person for a burrito chain that advertises its lack of GMOs, I would say chicken. A lot of cooks tend to undercook it, so you get some raw pieces. I also suspect it's where a lot of the outbreaks from years past originated. Duly noted. Chili might be your go-to order at the restaurants in your area, but after reading this one, you're going to want to think twice. Don't order chili at a certain 50s diner style fast casual restaurant. Just please don't. I'm begging you. It makes you wonder what's in there. Never order a steak well done. I guarantee you that the chef will pick the oldest, shittiest meat from the back of the shelf. You'd be better ordering a burger. Yikes! Did you know that having this preference could result in your getting less than fresh steak? We sold an antipasta salad that was just made up of the ends of all the lunch meats and cheeses we didn't sell. They were usually expired, but we just cut them up in cubes and covered them in Italian dressing. I never tried it, but it sounds disgusting. People loved it though. Does the menu seem a little too massive? There's a reason for that, and this employee isn't holding back about it. Any restaurant with an 8-page menu is serving you frozen food that gets microwaved or boiled in a bag. When it comes to ordering fish, there are some rules you need to live by, and this is one of them if you want to keep eating the stuff. Don't order the fish on a Monday. As chefs get their last fish order of the week on Friday, they don't get a new one till Tuesday. If you love sipping on a restaurant's signature tea, then you need to hear what this employee has to say, and maybe go and check your sugar levels while you're at it. The famous tea is just a regular-ass tea bag from a national retailer mixed with 4 pounds, literally, of sugar in a giant vat. I don't know what it is about raspberries, but out of all the fruit we received, they regularly had dead bees in the box. And that's just the beginning of their problems. They'd get moldy. I didn't have that problem with blueberries or blackberries though. You might think the special you're getting is top of the line, but it could be headed for the trash. Most special dishes are either trying a new dish to see if it should go on the menu or not, or trying to get you to buy this product before I have to throw it out. You might think that ordering a salad when you go out is a healthy alternative to some of the more fattening foods, but sometimes salads hit your wallet hard. Whatever the calorie count, salad's easily the most marked up item. Those freestyle soda machines almost always have mold in the ice chute unless the chute is fully taken out and the inner bit actually scrubbed every night, which I would not trust done regularly anywhere, no matter how nice the restaurant is. Hold the ice, please. When you order a drink or a salad or some pasta, you might expect a nice twist of lemon to add a pop of flavor and tang to your food and beverages. However, having a lemon at a restaurant is more dangerous than you might expect. Lemons, they do not get washed. In certain restaurants, there are a particular type of meat you should just say no to. Pork chops, for my restaurant, they're frozen, don't thaw well, and none of us cook them properly. They're always sent back, so we don't quite understand why we still have them. If the meat takes the center stage in the special of the day, run away. Never get the special if it's chicken, fish, or beef, because that means the meat is expiring the next day and they're trying to sell it before they have no choice but to pitch it. If a restaurant specializes in a certain type of dish, like pasta, you might think that means that they whip up a fresh batch every time somebody places an order. You would be wrong. We kept the spinach Alfredo in a giant open tub underneath the sink. You should absolutely avoid the loaded baked potato. If what happens at this employee's job happens at any other restaurant out there. Anything with bacon bits or shredded cheese, like a loaded potato, they just sit in the open and people snack from them. Oh man, who knew that so many restaurants were hiding such dirty secrets? You'll definitely think twice before you order out next time. Share this inside information with your friends below.